Hey, are you a realtor and you're experiencing this market shift and you don't know what to do? Yeah, well, I just shared with our entire brokerage just everything I did wrong during the last market shift and how I lost business. Watch the video, see the one thing that every realtor needs to do during a market shift.
I don't know about you, but I had a great summer. Yeah? No? I'm seeing a few yeses. Yeah. I had one of the best summers I ever had. Do you know why? I basically took the entire summer off. Thank you, Lori. You could have said it louder, so I didn't need to say it. I did. I took the entire summer off, and it was awesome. It was one of the first times I've ever done that. Sat by the pool. We had lots of friends come visit us. Kids did all sorts of crazy things. But you know what time it is now? It really is. It's time to get back to work, right? It really, really is. Definitely for me, and I see it in our business as well. And you're going to hear this theme throughout today's session. You're going to hear it from really definitely three different people: myself, Jen, and Colin. We're all going to say it perhaps a little bit differently, but it is time to get back to work. See, there's a lot of noise out there, right? Am I right? There's a lot of noise in what's going on in the market. The market is crashing another 30%, or there's no sales, there's no buyers, or interest rates. Should I even say interest rates, right? And no one really knows what to do. So when they don't know what to do, what do? Nothing. I'm hearing it. Nothing. Well, here's what I learned. And in the last market shift in 2017, I had a great business. And as that market shifted, guess who didn't have a great business? And I'm speaking honestly, myself. And do you know why it wasn't great? It didn't continue to be great? Because in a market shift, you've got to do different things. And I thought, I'm going to continue to keep doing the same thing that I've always done to get clients. And those clients didn't come. Right? There's Gary Keller, and Colin will probably say this, Marvin, Jen will say this. In a market shift, you either gain market share or lose market share. And guess what Gary did? Gary. I lost market share because I was doing the same thing in order to attract clients, and it wasn't enough. And I don't know, I've had a few people come to me this morning and say, Gary, the contents and everything that you're putting out, the emails and the videos and everything else it's next level. I'm being incredibly purposeful because in 2017, I lost a lot of money not doing what I should be doing, like working 3 and 4 times as hard, right? And I know some of us might be feeling that today, but trust me, we are here, Jen's here, Colin's here, many others to help you not get into that type of rut that I did in 2017. It was a tough one, incredibly tough. But that market share that I lost, it took time to get back. And when I say you either lose market share or win market share, the flip side is the market share that you win in a market shift, you will never relinquish, right? And it's all about our clients. So what are we doing for our clients? You might say, well, Gary, what are you doing for your clients? Well, I'm providing much more content for them. I'm in contact with them almost every day. And some might say it's too much, and some say it's not enough. Colin, what does Amazon say? It's not enough. Who gets Amazon emails because they're a member of Amazon Prime? It's probably the entire crowd, but you're just not willing to put your hand up. How many emails do you get every day from Amazon? At least one. So if one of the biggest companies in the world feels like they're not communicating with you enough, it's okay that you over-communicate with your clients, right? That's okay. If you need permission today's your permission. Go do it. Because I'm sure of those that have known me for a long time, and I stand up here and say, I am doing lead gen, you might fall off your chair because Gary doesn't do lead gen the way that Colin's laughing. I'm not your typical lead gen guy, but 2017 taught me I need to be. And lead gen's different for everybody else. It's different. Find the lead gen that you love doing. Obviously, I love doing videos. I also really love mountain biking and playing soccer and sports. That's my lead gen. Right? We just had an amazing golf tournament. And it didn't cost me $1,000 to bring clients. I invested $1,000 into my lead gen to hang out with them, to create deeper friendships. And I know that $1,000, I know it will, because it already has done, will provide me $100,000 worth of income because I'm connecting with these individuals, right? So, there's that old bold law, change the way you look at things and things will change, right? Change the way you look at opportunities like lead gen at a golf tournament, things like that. And trust me, things will change because I don't want to go through 2017. I don't want to experience the shift in the negative side. I want to experience it on the positive side, right? This is probably not how you expected a team meeting to start, but let me tell you something. It's important to Jen, Colin, Jonathan, and many others that your business is moving in the direction that you want it to go. Am I right? Yes, I'm seeing some shaking heads. Here's what I'm seeing. If I'm to be completely honest, I see people agreeing with me and people going internally, and that's good. That's what I want. Because when you go internal, you're looking at things that you need to change. And we're going to do that today because we're going to be finishing strong. That's today's theme. And when you see the video slide come up on YouTube, when you get to rewatch this, it's finish strong. And we are going to be finishing strong here, my friends. Are we good? Thank you. Yes, we good? All right.